Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zapier to create ClickUp tasks from Typeform submissions. Begin by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account yet, create one at zapier.com. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap in the upper right corner. In the Trigger section, search for and select Typeform. Choose New Entry as the trigger event. Connect your Typeform account by clicking on Sign in to Typeform. Follow the prompts to authenticate your Typeform account. Once connected, select the specific Typeform you want to use for this integration. Click on Test Trigger to ensure Zapier can communicate with your Typeform. Next, navigate to the Action section and search for ClickUp. Select Create Task as the action event. Connect your ClickUp account by clicking on Sign in to ClickUp. Authorize Zapier to access your ClickUp account. After connecting, select the ClickUp workspace and space where you want the tasks. Now, map the fields from your Typeform submission to the ClickUp task. For example, link the Typeform question for the task title to the ClickUp task name. Fill in the other fields according to your needs, such as description or due date. Once you've mapped the fields, click on Test Action to verify the integration. If successful, a test task will be created in ClickUp. Review the task in ClickUp to ensure everything is set up correctly. If all looks good, click on Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Your Zap is now configured to create ClickUp tasks from Typeform submissions automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.